I want to quickly show you how you can repair your flash if your flash is showing shortcut and you know quite alright that you have documents inside. How to retrieve your document in your corrupt flash. For example, if you insert your flash in your laptop and it's showing something like this, as you can see, showing something like this, it shows that your flash has document inside but it cannot be opened. If you can see, there's no matter how many times I click it, this flash will not be open. How do you retrieve your document inside this flash? That is the essence of this video, and I want to enjoin you, if you find this video helpful, interesting, don't hesitate to share, like this video and subscribe to this channel in order for you to get more of this type of video. So if you are ready, let us start the process. The first thing you want to do is to enter command prompt. How do you enter command prompt? You press your window key plus R. Your window key plus R. So if you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to enter command. You enter CMD. So if you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to click OK. Now this is where the process starts from. So now we are running command prompt as administrator. So the next thing you want to do from here is to type E colon. If you have done that, you enter. The next thing you want to do is to type attribute, ATTRIB, then space, then dash S, space, dash H, space, slash S, or some people call it oblique, S, space, then slash D, space, then star. If you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to press enter. If you have pressed enter, the next thing you want to do is to type exit. Exit, then you enter. As you can see, your flash drive, the flash drive has already, it has separated where the file is from where the content is from where the main virus is, the shortcut. If you click here now, the whole document in the flash will come out. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, these are the whole document in the flash. So you can see these are the whole document in the flash, and you can now have access to all your documents that's open. So that is how you go about it. I want to believe that this video has broadened your knowledge about how to solve this problem. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to InfoDen, because more of this video. So till I see you in my next video, I want to say be good.